All right, today's Tuesday Tidbit is on what is a VA loan. A VA loan, VA stands for Veterans Affairs, is financing that's available for active military members as well as those who have retired with the military. There are some advantages and some disadvantages to VA financing. The single biggest advantage to it is that you can put 0% down and not have any mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is the one type of insurance you have that does you absolutely no good. It's not for your benefit. It's insurance you pay for that protects the lender, and it's applicable on conventional financing, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, as well as FHA financing, which is an additional government type of loan. VA loans do not have any mortgage insurance. The drawback to it is that you instead will have a VA funding fee unless you are disabled with the VA. How much is the VA funding fee? It depends on how many times you've used their program before, as well as how much are you putting down. First time you use it, it's going to be at a reduced rate. Every time after that, it's going to be at a higher rate. The more money you put down, the lower that rate is as well on that VA funding fee. So instead of having mortgage insurance, you're going to have a VA funding fee. The other disadvantage to VA funding is that, like any other government loan, so same with FHA, Federal Housing Administration, they have tighter property requirements. So one of my first days on the job, my manager said, "Hey, look, grab your stuff. We're going to Home Depot." We literally had to drive to Home Depot, pick up some chicken wire, go out to a property that we were trying to do an FHA loan on, and we had to cover the window well, an exposed window well, with chicken wire because VA or FHA was actually worried that somebody was going to slip and fall into the window well. Conventional would say they're adults, they can handle it. We're not really concerned about an exposed window well. That's the type of thing that FHA or VA would call out though, and it would have to be remedied and fixed before closing could occur. So that's a VA loan. That's kind of some of the advantages and some disadvantages of VA funding. It's a nice loan if we need it. If we don't need it, there are some reasons why you might explore other conventional options, especially if you're looking to put a sizable amount down. Why pay a VA funding fee when you don't need to? So be back next week with next week's Tuesday Tidbit. Thanks. Bye.